In this episode, I'm sharing some exciting news, and it's not just that I celebrated my 46th birthday this week, though that is true. I'm also sharing that my book, Accomplished: How to Go From Dreaming to Doing, is now finally available in Audible. Hello, I'm Jodi Flynn, and welcome to the Women Taking the Lead podcast. I'm an executive leadership coach, author, speaker, workshop facilitator, and I have the joy to work with women leaders who want to hone the skills they'll need to thrive in senior leadership. I know I've met a woman I would love to work with when we start having a few laughs about our tendencies towards perfectionism and people-pleasing. I had been living in Maine for the past 18 years, but I am currently in Massachusetts staying with family for the next month, and then I make my final move to Virginia at the beginning of 2021. Thanks to the beauty of technology, I've been able to continue to work with women all over the world, even in the midst of so much movement and transition. I do individual coaching as well as workshops and team retreats, and I am the current president of the board for the Maine Women's Conference. I spend my free time catching up with friends and family, coordinating my move to Virginia to create a life with my guy, working out, and watching the Great British Baking Show. I first published my book, Accomplished: How to Go From Dreaming to Doing, in November of 2016. For years, I've been asked why I don't have an audio version of my book in Audible, given that I'm a podcaster and many of the women in my community also like to consume audio content. Well, the wait is over. Accomplished is available in Audible, and if you are not already on Audible, you can sign up and get Accomplished for free. If you use the link womentakingthelead.com/audible, AUDIBLE, you will be redirected to Audible to sign up and get Accomplished for free. And if you are already an Audible member, you can go find Accomplished right in your Audible app, or you can use the link womentakingthelead.com/audiobook, and it will take you right there. You may be thinking, what is Accomplished all about, and why would I want to read it? Well, when we are not seeing the changes that we want, we often look to outside sources to explain the problem, and that gives our power over the situation away, and it hurts our self-image. Accomplished takes a different approach. It peels back the layers of misconceptions that you have about yourself and introduces you to the alter egos that appear when you are under stress. It gives you the opportunity to get to know the woman you really are underneath all the coping, the stress reactions, and the expectations of others. It guides you through a process to uncover and articulate your personal mission, the work that will bring you alive, bringing your best self forward in each moment. And it gives you an opportunity to reflect on the people whom you spend the most time with and to start identifying the specific qualities you want in the people who surround you. This is the secret to accomplishing goals you had only wished or struggled for up until now. And all of this inside work will lead to the motivation to make something happen in your life. In this final stage, Accomplished guides you through crafting goals that are worthy of the real you, like who you truly are on the inside. You have your pick of the audio version, Kindle, or paperback. They're all available in either Amazon or Audible. And more good news, you can get the audio version of Accomplished for $4.87. This would also make a great gift for another woman, so keep that in mind. Now, this episode is short and sweet, but I'm going to be back this Monday with another episode in which I'm chatting with Jennifer Brown of Jennifer Brown Consulting on the personal journey to be inclusive. It was an enlivening conversation, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And if there's any way I can support you, reach out to me at Jodi, Jodi, at womentakingthelead.com or message me on any platform we're connected on. As always, I hope this was of value to you, and here's to your success. Thank you all for joining me on Women Taking the Lead. And to strengthen you on your own leadership journey, I'd like to send you off with a quote from Marianne Williamson, so here goes. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate, Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Again, thank you for joining me, and here's to your success.